friends, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in, and I appreciate all the support of this channel. So if you are anything like me, you are not done with your Halloween decor. So I have been trying to work on this stuff, but honestly, because of work, my time is so limited, and it is already the 7th, so I don't have very much time left. So I like to have a few pieces that I always use, and then I like to just make some inexpensive pieces to change it up every year and, you know, give myself something different. All right, so I have a couple really simple DIYs that I'd like to share with you. So these started out as the orange pumpkins. I think I have a picture I'll be able to put in here. From Walmart, they were 88 cents a piece. Super simple. I just took them on my back porch, spray painted them black. I used chalk paint because that's what I happen to have. And what I'm going to do, it's very simple. I cut off their handles. I have 2 rocks. I'm gonna put a rock on the bottom of each of these. Sorry, I'm trying to stay away from the camera too much so that you guys can just see what I'm doing. All right, so I have 6 pumpkins, and then you can cover that, like in the tops, you can put floral in there, like Dollar Tree has a lot of Halloween floral. I am using these witches hats that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put them on the top of them. And additionally, I have some glow-in-the-dark paint. For whatever reason, cannot find it. Of course, as soon as I do this project, I'm gonna find it. I wanted to use glow-in-the-dark paint on their eyes, nose, mouth, but instead I'm gonna use this silver paint pen since my witch's hats are silver. So I put a rock in the bottom so that they wouldn't blow away, and then I'm gonna glue 3 on and then the hat and do the eyes and the mouth. So I'm gonna put it on fast mode, do them really quick, and this is a simple, easy Halloween project. So these guys here are done, and they're just gonna go sitting in front of my door. So like I said, you could put, you know, anything in there that you wanted. I like the witch's hat. I decided that I only wanted to do the silver face on one of them, on the top one. I am going to still see if I can't find my glow-in-the-dark paint, and if so, I'll go outside and just do the other faces in the glow-in-the-dark when I found it. And I did decide to take like a little bit of a darker black between these and, you know, give them like a little bit of hair. So there's this one, all right? And now I'll bring out everything for the next one and we'll do it. All right, for this next one, I did at least think about moving my chairs out of the way. So sorry I didn't do that in the other one. All right, so this one is gonna be really cute, and I think this is gonna be a good idea. Now, I got everything from the Dollar Tree. I still got my hot glue on in case I need it. So I got these large baskets and small baskets. So I decided to get the orange, and the reason why I got orange, So I was gonna get navy blue and do it all black, but I decided on the orange because I was thinking that the glow-in-the-dark skeletons would probably look really cute with the green. Like it would probably give a good vibe. I do not know why I said orange. It is clearly green. And, you know, if it does nothing, I mean, no big deal. It's a Halloween costume, or decoration. All right, so I have an X-Acto knife. Oop, that I'm trying to break. Be really careful using an X-Acto knife, just saying. I'm using my Cricut X-Acto knife. I love this thing. All right, be really, really careful now when you're using X-Acto knives because they are very sharp. But I'm just gonna put a hole on the top, take my scissors to it. I don't wanna make my hole too big because what I was thinking was that I would put like a knot in the pipe cleaner. All right, that's good. All right, so knots in the pipe cleaner. All right, now I am just going to stick some skeletons in there. This smaller one I'm gonna stick two. And I think I'm gonna make like a hand come out, like foot come out. Let's see. All right, and then just line them up. I'm gonna take my pipe cleaners. All right, so unfortunately, Scott had called me and apparently I did not remember to turn the video back on after he called. However, super simple. So you saw how I put the baskets together. I did the same thing with the big one, except in the big one, I did multiple skeletons in there. And then I put these little chains. So this came from the Dollar Tree also. And I just used pipe cleaners, put that on as like the lock. I did the same to the smaller one. And then those chains also from the Dollar Tree. So I wrapped the pipe cleaner through the chains to hold that on. And the other thing is I have no idea why I kept telling you the baskets were orange. They are clearly green, and you can see where it's kind of glowing there on the bottom, and that's why I feel like the green will bring out, you know, that glow in the dark with the skeletons. So we'll see. Hopefully that works. But anyways, yeah, so I hope that it was helpful, maybe gave you an idea of something you can do for Halloween decor. It was about $12 to do that whole thing. And then there are my little witchy pumpkins. And, you know, so the whole thing was about $20. All right. Hey, listen, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful rest of the night. And I hope that this was helpful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe. And I'll see you later, friends. Bye.